Meaning of Halifax.
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 Halifax. Halifax is a port city located in the eastern Canadian province of Nova Scotia. The name Halifax originates from the town of Halifax in West Yorkshire, England. The word is derived from the Old English words hal meaning nook or valley and fax meaning field. Halifax played a significant role in the history of the British Empire in North America, serving as a major naval base during World War II. Today, it is a vibrant cultural and economic hub known for its beautiful waterfront, historic landmarks, and friendly people.